To find best promo code for Topstep, you simply have to search it on your browser and then click on the first website you will see, that is the website in front of you, LinkedIn. So here are some of the best promo codes available for Topstep website. We will simply have to find them. Let me just scroll down and then select the Don't Playful website in front of you. That is a premium and a genuine promo code website. On the home page of this website on your browser, you will see a lot of promo codes mentioned like free reset, $149 off, and other types of offer. To get this, simply click on the get code option, copy this, and paste it on the Topstep payment page. Then you will get reward of this. Now, this is the second website that is called dealsport.com. And here are also different types of coupon or promo codes mentioned. What you have to do is click on the get code option to get a promo code and then copy it as same you did in the previous website. Now we will come to the third website, that is main Topstep. As you can see, Topstep official website. The third website is We Thrift. This website is the last and the most genuine. You can find available promo codes here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.